What is going on, everybody? Dan with Rimrite here. Hey, we have a special episode for you today. We are going to do an unboxing, and this will give you a bit of a glimpse into a project that we're going to be doing on the channel coming up. And this has nothing to do with painting, powder coating, or any type of refinishing work, which is just going to be a little bit different. And you'll understand what I'm saying once we get this bad boy open. So let's see what we got in here. Very, very well packaged, if you will. Ooh. Okay, so we've got some tools here. I don't know if you can see what they are there or guess. And we got a couple more items which I'm super excited about. I didn't know what exactly was coming. I knew I was getting something, but I'm pretty excited about it. So here it is. We've got the Eastwood paintless dent removal kit. This is a glue system for pulling dents, and they also sent me, which I'm super excited about because I was actually trying to figure out how I was going to do this. I used to be an auto adjuster for an insurance company, and we would have these pieces of paper that we would print out black lines on and space them so it was black, white, so that you could use it to reflect off the panel to see how many dents were on each panel when we were writing the estimate. So I didn't even know they had these at Eastwood, so I'm super excited about that. And then these are tap down kits. Let's see here. We've got paintless dent removal wedge and burnisher kit, which has instructions here, so we're going to go through those and kind of see what that's all about. I guess I call them tap downs, but that's what all these are, different tips for the different crowns around. So you've got some flat ones, some small pointed ones. This is kind of a wedge, I believe, for like door glass and windows so that you could get your tools in there if you're working with tools. I've got a couple different shapes here, blunt ones, and then they kind of get sharper and sharper. So I didn't even know that was coming. That's super exciting. We've got the board here, which if you're going to start pushing dents out at home is absolutely necessary so you can see what you're doing. If you're doing glue pulls or you're pushing them, you need to be able to watch that dent move so that you can tell what you're doing. Again, more instructions that we'll go through. It comes with a nice little suction cup setup here, it looks like. So you put your board on the one end. You've got your board here. You got your suction cup, put it on the car, move the board around wherever you need to put it to see, which again, we're going to be doing a very in-depth, easy for me to say video of fixing some dents. And after I show you all the goodies here, I will take you over and show you the vehicle we're going to be working on. We'll open up the actual glue pulling system here from Eastwood. Again, obviously you have the instruction kit. They have a couple videos on their web or on their YouTube channel if you search for Eastwood that you can check out. When I decided to do this project, I actually watched a couple other videos of people using this system, which got me really excited to try it out because it looks like it works pretty well. So you've got some glue sticks that come in the kit. You've got your glue gun. You got a bottle. This is for isopropyl alcohol so that you can release the glue off the panel. Let's see, it's actually Eastwood branded. Okay, nice. They do a really good job with their branding over there. And that's your puller. So when you glue your tab on, you slide it in, and you can adjust this for height, and then this goes down on the panel and you can work the dent out. And the videos don't really do it justice. This is actually, it looks to be really, really well built. So I'm excited to put this bad boy through the paces. You've got a little scraper tool here, plastic scraper tool, so you can get the glue off if it doesn't release completely. And then an assortment, it appears, of different tabs to pull. So I'm thinking from what I'm going to be doing, we are going to need every single one of these. So you've got some pretty large tabs there, and then they're all just different shapes, sizes, some that are kind of concaved. Is that right? Sure. Smaller ones there. You've got some more oval shaped tabs. Yeah, these look like they're going to work great. So all the way down to just a little small. That's kind of where you have a super small dent. If it's dime size or smaller, you're going to be working with something like that, and then a larger oval. So I am super excited to get all this going. We're going to set it all up. We're going to put it through its paces, and I'm going to show you why right now, because this car is wrecked. So let's take a look. All right, guys, so this is a car I just bought. It is a prior salvage due to hail damage. And the thing I like about this car is it's in a 17 Premier Chevrolet Impala. I'm a big Chevy guy, for anyone who doesn't know, which is probably all of you. But on the right side of this car, all the way down the side, it has massive hail dents. Also, obviously, you've got your deck lid, which you can see the dents there. And this is a white car, and it's one of the harder cars to actually see dents on. But this thing is so bad, they just show up really well on camera. You can see prior salvage here. The whole hood is wrecked. I believe, based on tapping, you can hear the sound difference. This is aluminum, I believe, which is a nightmare. So we might end up replacing the hood. We might replace the deck lid, but we are going to be trying to pull out some of these dents in this video, showing you what the Eastwood gun, I'm used to powder coating, what the Eastwood glue pulling kit will do. And I was originally gonna buy this, try to fix it up and sell it, but driving it home, I fell in love with it. So I may end up keeping it. It is fully loaded. The windows are tinted. I'm currently powder coating the wheels gloss black. I'm thinking about doing a little work on the trim and knocking these little dents out or filling them, and then painting all the trim a gloss black, which I think would be awesome. So in future videos, we might do a couple just showing different glue pulling techniques. We're going to start working on this. The nice thing is this side is fairly clean. It's just the top and the right side we got to worry about. So that's where we are on this video. Thank you for watching our unboxing of our Eastwood glue pulling kit and the few extra bonuses they tossed in I did not know about. Keep your eyes peeled for the next one. As always, give us that big old thumbs up if you're excited about it, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.